money will flow like crazy. Do this before 11/11. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. That's what this channel is about. Your dreams, your goals. Hey, listen, if you're one of those people that have never been struck by lightning, you need to subscribe and click the bell icon right now, okay? Because we're here all the time empowering your life with the mind sciences and the law of attraction. High flyers, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Visit us at our new website, lawofattractionsolutions.com. 11/11 is coming, and it's a wonderful opportunity between now and then to employ certain fundamentals that are literally going to explode your cash power in your life, help you attract more money than you've ever attracted before. Money is about to flow into your life like crazy. Claim it right now. I claim increase of money and wealth in my life between now and 11/11. If you're not attracting the money you deserve, it's your beliefs about money and yourself that strangle your money magnetism. So high flyers, between now and 11/11, practice these 5 principles and see an explosion of money, attract money like crazy. It's going to be so easy, you're literally going to be shocked. Number 1, give before you get. Most people say, I want to win the lottery, because if I win the lottery, then I'm going to help out the poor people, or I'm going to help out the starving kids in Africa. But in the meantime, they don't help out anyone. Give before you get. The law of attraction works very, very closely with another law called the law of reciprocity. And basically what that law states is what you give out is what you receive back. But you receive it 3-fold, 10-fold, 100-fold. It depends on your belief system. So here's what I think. Find a way to give. It doesn't have to be a lot. It can be $1 here. It can be 50 cents there. And the more you give, the more you receive. And then you give more, and you receive more, and you give more, and you receive more. Look, if you're cheap with life, life will be cheap with you. High flyers, about 30 years ago, I was working for a construction company. I was doing okay, but I hit this rough patch. I mean, it was just no money coming in. And I was down to $50. $50 in my bank account. I didn't know what to do. So I meditated. And here's what I heard. Go downtown and give away $7 to 7 people who are homeless. Okay, so I canceled my schedule for the morning. I went downtown, I parked my car, I got out. I looked for 7 homeless people, which wasn't difficult. And I found 7 homeless people and I gave them the money. So in addition to giving out the $7, there was a special at a little restaurant there, a lunch special, and I bought every one of them a hot dog with chips and a Coke. So everybody went to the park, they had their lunch, they had their extra $1, and that was that. I drove off. On the way home, I got a call from my boss. He said, do you want to take a call? I said, sure. I took the call. The guy paid in cash. The company made about $30,000 on that sale. I put $7,000 $1,000 in my pocket. That's the law of reciprocity. That's the universe. That's what's happening right now, why you need to take action on this between now and 11/11. Give your time, resources, energy, and expect opportunities to open for you like they've never opened before. So high flyers, while you are open to giving, you need to also be open to receiving. Are you seriously open to receiving? Abundance comes in many shapes and sizes. And if you're not open to receiving and telling the universe on a regular basis, I am open to receiving, then you'll miss opportunities. You'll miss increase. You'll miss cash. And you'll miss money coming into your bank account. It doesn't take a lot of work, high flyers. All you have to do is be grateful. Live in a state of gratitude for all that you have received, all that you are receiving, and all that you will receive. If you'll put yourself into this beautiful state of gratitude and be open to receiving, money will flow into your life. High flyers, be honest with yourself and others. Yes, you can make money through dishonesty, but it doesn't bring you the happiness that having wealth and money should bring you. Think of Bernie Madoff, made billions of dollars in a Ponzi scheme, the largest Ponzi scheme ever to hit America. And yet the whole time he was living in fear. Years of living in fear, years of trying to stay ahead of the government, years of living with anxiety and tension until finally everything collapsed. He lost it all and he ended up in prison. Why? Because he was dishonest with himself and he was dishonest with the people around him, his family, and his clients. Living a life of honesty expands the expression, what we give out, we get back. Because when you're giving out honesty, you're receiving honesty back. And so you are living in a reality where there's less deception. You are able to read through the deception, which allows you not only to keep your money longer, but to invest it and use it in the right places. High flyers, number 4 is to look for redeeming qualities in your situation. No matter what your situation, no matter what you have gone through, look for some seed of redeeming quality. It's always there, but it's not always visible. You may have to dig for it. When you find that seed of redeeming quality in whatever challenge you are going through, hang on to that seed, because that seed will grow you a money tree. It's that powerful. I remember Napoleon Hill talking about his son being born deaf in one ear and becoming one of the largest manufacturer salesmen in the hearing aid business, and serving and helping other people all over the world who had the same problem he had. He found that seed of redeeming quality. Everything and everyone has the ability to live a life of wealth and abundance, to attract money like crazy. All true wealth comes from within. So rather than just combing the internet looking for an opportunity outside of yourself, look for something within. in yourself. Within yourself is the secret to incredible wealth, to incredible opportunity like you've never experienced before. We attract great wealth by how we live and what we choose to believe. And number 6, take inspired action. Look at today. Quiet yourself, your interior spirit, for just a moment. And then open yourself up to inspired action. Listen for it. Look for it. Feel it. And then act on it. Maybe it's a phone call. Maybe it's a text message. Maybe it's checking into something. Maybe it's a trip across the country you need to take. But take inspired action. I'm Robert Zink, your Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach, and here's some other videos to help you on your journey.